Google Gemini's new free updates are insane. You're wasting hours on tasks that AI could do in seconds. You're missing out on features that could transform how you work. You're still paying for tools when the best ones just went free, and you have no idea what just dropped. Hey, I'm Julian. And if you haven't checked Google Gemini lately, you're about to lose your mind because Google just rolled out updates that are absolutely wild, and most of them are completely free. I'm talking features that were locked behind paywalls just weeks ago, now available to everyone, no credit card needed. And I'm going to walk you through every single one that actually matters. Let's start with the big one. Gemini 3 Pro just launched, and free users now get access to it. This is Google's most powerful AI model, the same one that scores higher than GPT on reasoning benchmarks. And you can use it right now for free. Here's the catch. You get limited daily access. Google calls it dynamic access. Your daily limit changes based on demand, but you're typically getting around 3 to 5 deep reasoning prompts per day before it switches you to the faster Flash model. To use it, open the Gemini app, click the model selector, choose Thinking with 3 Pro. The model breaks down complex problems step by step, shows its reasoning process, and handles coding, data analysis, and research with more depth than the standard model. Now let's talk about image generation. Google released Nano Banana Pro. Free users get 2 images per day, which sounds limited until you realize what these images can do. Nano Banana Pro generates 4K images with professional text rendering. You can create posters with clear, readable text, infographics with accurate data, diagrams with proper labels, all from a simple text prompt. The editing capabilities are wild. Upload an image, draw directly on it, circle what you want to change, and Gemini understands change backgrounds, remove objects, blend 2 images together. The AI handles lighting and shadows to make edits look natural. This level of control used to require Photoshop skills. Now it's just natural language in a circle. The character consistency feature is a game changer. Create a character in one image, then generate that same character in completely different scenes. Different poses, different backgrounds, but the face stays identical. Content creators can build entire visual stories with consistent characters, no design skills needed. To access Nano Banana Pro, click the banana icon in Gemini, select Thinking from the model menu, and start creating 2 images per day on the free plan. Next up, Gemini Live with camera and screen sharing just went free for everyone on Android and iOS. You can have a live conversation with Gemini while showing it what you're looking at. Point your camera at a math problem and get real-time guidance. Show it broken furniture and get repair instructions. The use cases are practical: cooking guidance by showing ingredients, real-time homework help, DIY repairs, language translation of signs or menus. Screen sharing works the same way. Share your screen during a call with Gemini, walk through spreadsheets together, debug code in real time, review presentations, and get feedback, all while having a natural conversation. When I first started using these tools, I was overwhelmed. That's when I found this community called AI Profit Boardroom with over 2,000 members all focused on learning AI together and sharing in description. Now let's talk about some premium features worth knowing about. Deep Research is available to Pro and Ultra subscribers. It searches the web for hours, reads dozens of sources, and creates comprehensive research reports with citations and analysis. This isn't available on the free tier, but if you're doing serious research work, this feature alone might justify the upgrade. Canvas mode got huge updates. This feature can upload sources and create presentations with images, data visualization, and proper formatting, then export to Google Slides. Currently rolling out to Pro subscribers first, with free users getting access in the coming weeks. Canvas also handles document editing with better formatting and LaTeX support for mathematical formulas. The quiz generation feature is available through the student program, and some paid tiers upload study material, and Gemini creates practice quizzes with multiple choice questions, explanations, and adjustable difficulty levels. Let's talk about the student program. If you're a college student, Google is giving you 1 full year of Google AI Pro completely free. This normally costs $20 per month. That's $240 of value. The student plan includes unlimited chats with Gemini 3 Pro, unlimited image uploads, 2 terabytes of cloud storage, deep research with higher limits, Notebook LM with premium features, and access to VO3 Fast for video generation. You need to verify your student status. The program is available in over 50 countries, including the US, Brazil, Indonesia, Japan, UK, France, and South Korea. If you're a college student, check if your country is eligible. Gemini integrates with your Google Apps, Calendar, Gmail, Tasks, Keep, Maps. You can create calendar events from conversations, find specific emails, add tasks to your list, all through natural language. The system understands context and takes actions automatically. The Maps integration shows you restaurant options with photos, ratings, and reviews pulled from real Google Maps data. You can make decisions without leaving the chat. Scheduled actions are a pro and ultra feature. If you upgrade, you can set up daily calendar summaries or weekend event recommendations. This isn't available on the free tier. Temporary chat mode just launched for private conversations. Anything you discuss doesn't save to your history, doesn't train the model, and doesn't appear in your activity. Perfect for sensitive questions or personal brainstorming. Gemini and Android Auto is now available. Full conversational AI while driving, hands-free, voice-controlled. Connects to your apps for messages, information, and directions. Notebook LM got major upgrades. You can bring notebooks into Gemini as sources, combine your research with live information. The audio overviews feature creates podcast style summaries where two AI hosts discuss your material. Free users get 3 audio overviews per day. Google just made professional grade AI tools accessible to everyone. Features that cost money on other platforms are now free with a simple interface. Use the free tier strategically, focus on high value tasks. Don't waste daily limits on simple questions. Save them for complex work that benefits from advanced reasoning. Track what saves you time, what improves your output, then build workflows around those use cases. The image generation is perfect for quick mockups, social media posts, and visual brainstorming. The reasoning model is great for occasional complex problems, but if you're running a design agency or coding full time, you'll need more access. That's the balance. Free tier for learning and testing. Paid tier when AI becomes essential to your work. The experimental features in Google Labs are available to everyone. Custom gems that work like mini apps, recipe generators, claymation experts, interactive simulations. The Recipe Genie gem creates recipes from ingredients you have with cooking instructions and timing. Use these experimental features and report what works. Your feedback shapes future products. Don't sleep on the lab section. If you're looking to dive deeper into AI tools and actually implement them in your work, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 people learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences, what's working, what's not, which tools are worth your time, which ones to skip, no hype, just solid information and practical guidance from people doing the work. It's helped me. Google Gemini just became one of the best free AI tools available. The combination of reasoning, image generation, live camera support, and deep Google integration makes it incredibly practical. Most people will stick with what they know or assume free means limited. But Gemini offers features that compete with paid tools. Open Gemini. Test Gemini 3 Pro. Generate images with Nano Banana Pro. Try the camera feature. Spend 30 minutes exploring, then decide if it's useful for your work. Google just handed you professional AI tools for free. Let me know in the comments which features surprised you most. See you in the next one.